Before you begin, remove the service cover. Hard disk drive assembly. Optical drive. Keyboard. And top cover. Removal. Remove the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the routing channel and adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Release the fingerprint reader board bracket from the two clips and slide it out from underneath the retention tabs on the top cover. Remove the fingerprint reader board from the cradle on the top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the fingerprint reader board.